How to list an item for sale on Vinted. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can list an item for sale on Vinted. To list an item for sale on Vinted is straightforward, and here is how to do it. The first step is to sign into your Vinted account just like I've done here, and then once you've done that, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your inbox notification icon, the favorite icon, your profile icon, and then the sell now icon. So just click on sell now, and then after doing that, you'll be taken to the sell an item page. So on this page, you can now go ahead to list an item. The first option is to upload photos of the item that you would like to list for sale. So just go ahead and select the item from your computer, pictures. It was have been pictures of items that you want to sell in the first place. All right, so just locate them, and then once you found it, select it and then click on open, and you wait for the pictures to be uploaded. Then you can now go ahead and add the title of the item. So for example, mine is a gown. Then you can describe the item, just few words to describe the item. Okay, and then you have to select the category of the item that you want to list. So is it a doll? Is it for women? Select it. Is it clothing? Make sure you select what you want to list. All right, so you have to select a brand as well. Okay, you have to select the size of the item. All right, then you have to select the condition of the item. Is it new? Is it very good? Then you have to select at least two colors of the item. Okay, and then you have to select the material of the item. Just go ahead and carry out all of this. All right, and then once you're done, enter in a price for the item. Okay, so then you have to select the kind of parcel that you want to use to transport the item, and then if there's a bump item, ensure you include it. If not, that is it. Then go through it to be sure that the information you've included is correct. If it is correct, just go ahead and click on upload. All right, and then just like that, the item would be listed for sale. So you can now go ahead and list another if you so desire. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can list an item on Vinted. Very, very easy. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thank you for watching and have a good day.